If you're looking for a company that provides crawlspace encapsulation in the Charlotte area, you may have run across a few names in your search. Hi, Corey Parks here, owner of HydroHelp911. We know it can be overwhelming when searching for a dependable, reputable company to work on your home. That's why we wanted to show you a comparison between HydroHelp911 and some of our competitors. Why would we do that? We take pride in being open and transparent with our services and pricing, and we want our customers to be as informed as possible when making a decision about their home. We're also not scared of a little competition, and we want you to feel confident with the company you choose for your foundation, crawl space, and basement repair needs. So let's compare. First up is DryPro. DryPro was founded by Ron Weatherly in 1999. They were acquired in 2021 by a private equity group named Groundworks, a $600 million company with over 20 locations. DryPro is fully licensed and insured and are based in Virginia. They have around 120 employees at the time of the sale. They are rated A+ by the Better Business Bureau, and in 2022, they received the Angie's Super Service Award. In addition to crawlspace encapsulation, they provide services for foundation repair, concrete lifting, and crawlspace basement waterproofing. Next is Cantey Foundation Specialist. Cantey Foundation Specialist was opened their Charlotte location in 2021 as one of 4 locations across South Carolina and Georgia. They are based out of Camden, South Carolina, and owned by William Cantey. They are affiliated with the Support Works and Basement Systems networks. They're A+ rated and accredited by the Better Business Bureau and have 17 Google reviews with an average of 4.7. In addition to crawlspace encapsulation, Cantey Foundation Specialist specializes in residential and commercial foundation repair, concrete lifting, crawlspace repair, basement repair and waterproofing, and gutter installation. Lastly, Sedona Waterproofing. They also offer crawlspace encapsulation in the Charlotte area. Sedona Waterproofing was founded in 2016 by Josh Landrio. It is a fully licensed and insured company based out of Concord, North Carolina. They are A+ rated and accredited by the Better Business Bureau and have 122 5-star Google reviews. They were presented the best mold remediation company in Concord, North Carolina by expertise.com. In addition to encapsulation, Sedona Waterproofing specializes in crawl space and basement waterproofing, structural repair, and exterior drainages. Check out these companies. They are all reputable companies who will do a good job on your crawl space encapsulation. You can find more information on our website, or if you'd like to schedule a complimentary consultation, feel free to call us at 704-813-9554. Thanks.